Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel if you are my subscriber, but if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel, and please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell as well so you will be notified when I upload another video. And today's video, guys, is unboxing. I just got this today and I'm excited. I ordered this Free Love, and this is one of the designer handbag, Free Love. And yeah, it just arrived today, so I just want to unbox in front of you and share it with you, and let me know in the comment section box what do you think of this. So yeah, let's unbox it, guys. Unboxing. Ooh, exciting. Wow, it's really sealed properly. Okay, what's inside this box? Oh, should not put it there. Exciting. There we go, guys. Oh my god, she wrapped it so well. Ooh, look at that. It's empty. Oh my god. Oh my god. My first, I don't have this in my I don't have this designer brand in my collection, so I decided to get a Free Love. So I just want to give it a try first. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da, guys! See that? Yeah, I got it Free Love, but the dust bag seems small. Okay, probably because she put something inside. Here we go. Here we go, guys. This is my first Dior handbag. I got it Free Love. Oh my god. Yeah. So it comes with dust bag, and that's it. Oh my god, she's cute. It's cute. It's my first Dior handbag. Oh my god, look at that guy. Still in pristine condition. There, of course, there is sign of usage, but it's cute. Oh my god, look at that. See? Oh my god, look at the handle. Probably just I will polish the handle later. There is little bit of scratch, but that's actually, and then this one is still okay. Apart from the padlock is fine. The hardware is still golden, but just need to polish it, and it says Christian Dior. Oh my god, my first Christian Dior. Oh yeah, there is of course sign of use here. There is like hairlines. Oh my god, she's cute patootie. And she got this there is padlock which says Christian Dior, and it's already faded, but maybe I will do something about it. Oh my god, it's actually size 25. It's like SPDB 25. Oh, she gave me a gift. Ah, socks. And dry. Oh, don't know what's this. Written in Japanese. So with value, with wrap. Indeed. Yeah, no smell. Look at her, guys. Wow. There is a packet in here. So the inclusion is only dust bag. And it says Christian Dior, Italy. Here's made in Italy, and here's the that one. This how do you call this one? The serial number. So oh my god, guys, this is my first Dior handbag. Oh, this is so cute, and there is a packet is here as well. Yeah. Oh my god, it's actually look like Speedy 25, but it's so cute. I can just wear it with sling. She's still, her canvas is still okay. There is no you know, there's no mark in there. I'll probably clean it and polish this one here. Probably I will use my husband he's doing a leather thing right now, so he has those saddle soap and all things for polishing the leather, and I will ask him about this, you know, this hardware, how to polish it. So yeah, well, I'll search it in YouTube. Oh my god, this is my first Dior handbag. I got it free love from Japan's seller. She's Filipina, and she lives in Japan, and she's selling handbags. So this is the first time that I bought from her, and I bought few free love handbags as well from Japan. So if you want to see that, just comment down below which free love that I got. I think I got few now, and this is the first time that I bought from her, and oh god, I love her. So cute, so cutie. Yeah, see that, very cute handbag. Maybe I need Christian Dior belt as well. Oh my god, she's so cute. I'd probably put sling in this one. What do you think? Oh, but she's so cute, guys. There you go, my first Dior free love. You can put a lot in this one, I think. The only thing is the opening is small, but I will make separate video for what's fit in this one and what my thought of this one. If I would not like her, then I will resell it to anyone. And yeah, I'm so happy. I like her. I like her so much. I just love this canvas. It's perfect for if you're wearing white and jeans. That's why I wear this one, because it's really see, it's matchy. Or if you're wearing all white, these things will stand out. I will try to wear it, try to put sling in it, strap. So I got this for $390 US, and I did look on some website. The pre-love of this is around $500 to $600 US. So yeah, I saved money there, considering that she still look okay. It's not too old, not too bad. Okay, that's it for now, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. I'll see you in my next shopping vlog maybe. So comment down below what do you think, and I will make separate video for what's fit in this bag. So the size of this is 25, and I'm not sure, but I will make review on what's fit inside of this, my first Dior handbag. Bye for now, guys. See you soon. Bye.